Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 21 of 2020. And this campaign, I'm actually most excited about a new addition to one of our best-selling product lines, and that is our Glimmer Shadows. I personally love the Glimmer Shadows liquid eyeshadow. Quick and easy, they blend beautifully, last all day, no creasing. You put it on, it stays put. Like I said, one of our best-selling makeup products. They've been very, very popular. In fact, when they first debuted, we sold about 8 weeks worth of what they expected us to sell in 8 weeks. We sold it in 2. It's ridiculous, like they were sold out for weeks. The only thing that we ever hear that people don't like about the Glimmer Shadows is some folks don't like the glitter or shimmer. They want something a little bit more matte, a little bit more subdued. So now we have 6 new colors and a matte sateen finish. So it's not a flat matte. It's a matte with like some pearl to it. So it's got a really, really nice finish to it, and they're all in what we're calling neo-nude colors. So they're all strictly nude, but they work great for a nude makeup look. And I have a couple of them on today. I have the pink sapphire and I have jasper for the crease in this outside corner here. And one thing I'll show you is the jasper in the tube looks quite scary. It looks very dark and very red, but when it goes on, you can blend it down to that more subtle, subtle look. So I'll show you I've got 5 of the 6 colors. I did not get citrine because it's a shade I just really won't wear. This Tiger's Eye, we're really kind of looking for, it would be a great, this is Tiger's Eye, would be a great for smoky eye. A nice, really pretty, and you can see it's got that little bit of pearl to it, so it's got a little bit of sheen, but it's not the shimmery or glittery metallic like the original glimmer sticks are. This one is Pink Sapphire. This is actually the shade I have all over my lids today. And it's just, again, a beautiful nude. If you wanted just a polished look, but not like a full face, quick and easy. Just grab this, dab a little on the center of the eyelid, blend it out with your finger, and you're good to go. Moonstone, this is a beautiful kind of taupey color. Again, another great nude. And it's got, again, that beautiful, beautiful sheen to it. So it just looks finished. It's just a really nice, I'm like really, I might actually wear these colors more than I wear the others, and there are purples in the others, and y'all know how I feel about purple. This is the Jasper, so this is if you put it in a nice, that's the great thing about these, is they're a buildable color. You can do a really, saturated look and build the color and get a nice, really bold color, but you can also blend it out and just get a softer look. So really, really love these. And this one, I'm going to be using as almost like a base to all of my eyeshadow. And this is the Sunstone. And for me, this is literally a nude. So if you've got, your skin tone's kind of on the fair side, this is literally nude for me. But if I want just a nude look, like a no makeup look, this is the perfect shade, because it's just going to even out the color, the skin tone on my eyelids, and give me a nice finished look. So those are the colors. So again, it's Tiger's Eye, Pink Sapphire, Moonstone, Jasper, and Sunstone. And then also Citrine is the 6th color that's new in these neo nudes. And because I have something else to show you that's going to go on the back of my hand, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of our waterproof eye and lip remover, lip makeup remover. So I could take these off of here, so I'll have my hand available for other demonstrations. But see, it just comes right off. And this is, you know, this is a water, the Glimmershadows is a water resistant formula. So they go on, and like I said, they just stay all day. Great for, you know, right now it's like really warm in most parts of the country, downright hot in others. So, you know, it's almost even like sweat proof. You know, you get, and it's great if you have oily eyelids. The liquid eyeshadow works really great for that because it is water resistant. It holds better and doesn't break down from the oil on your eyelids. So, but again, you need a really good makeup remover to take it off nice and easily in one sweep, and our waterproof makeup remover is great for that. Let's see, next up we have the A box for this campaign is the Cherish Yourself A box. It features a sneak peek of our new Artisan Cherry Vetiver fragrance. This is actually a unisex fragrance. I learned at our national conference over the weekend, and it's a really nice warm with just a hint of a little fruit. Really nice scent. Really liking that. Plus you get the gel finish nail enamel in let's see, I think it's Dazzle Pink, the birthday balm in Surprise, no, Surprise, yes, birthday balm in Surprise, yes, in Surprise, both full size. And then a trial size of our, is called the Therapy Oil Blending Cream, and it's an anti-aging treatment that we have in our line, which came out about almost a year ago, but this is the first time that it's been in an A box in that try it size or that travel size. So if you're already using that, it's a great way to pick up a travel size so that when you do travel, you've got a convenient size you can take with you. And if you haven't tried it, it's a great opportunity to try that out. Next up, I have our flat velvet two-tone, or flat two-tone lipsticks, and these are really cool because they come, they kind of look like a highlighter or a marker. Part of the design was that they, in Korea, girls like to carry their makeup in kind of like their pencil bag to school, so these were a great way to kind of to put them in there. And the flat lipstick is because it's got a sort of rectangular-ish flat design, and it makes it very easy for precision application. It goes on so easy, and it's basically just one swipe and you're done. What is different with these ones this time around is we have the two-tone, and this one's maybe not as easy to see as the other two, but you see the this side is a little bit lighter, and it's kind of a beigey tone with the purple on this side, and that's so you can get an ombre effect, which is really popular these days. And I will show you our model here in the brochure. She's wearing the pink shade. Oh no, she is wearing purple with beige. She is wearing this one. But you can see that the kind of the purple is on the outside, the beige is on the inside. So you can get that ombre effect. If you're like me and you kind of like a more even color, not necessarily looking for that two-tone, one thing about this is it's great that one side is a little bit darker than the other, so it makes a great, put that side toward the outside edge, makes a great line and fill in one. And then you just go like that, it blends the color together and gives you a really unique color. So we have 3 shades in this. This is the purple with beige. This is what I have on today, and I did, you know, push my lips together to blend the color, but this is what it looks like in the ombre with the purple and beige. This does also come in 6 colors. I have just 3 of them. This is the beige effect. I love this one as a nude, and the ratio on this one, the darker color is a little bit smaller, so it really does work as kind of a line and fill in one. But I really love this color for a nude lip, and it's got just enough pink in it that it's not, it's got some life to it. It's not a bland beige. And this is Pink Delight, I believe is the color name. Yeah, Pink Delight. It's the bottom one there. And you see, and again, you would, you know, if you didn't really want that ombre effect or that two-tone effect, you can mix it together and get a different shade, get a blended shade there with that. All right, and just so I don't accidentally wipe any of these colors off on anything that I don't want them on. On my lips, they stay pretty well. On my hand, I feel like they might rub off on something if I touch it before they really dry down. The feel on the lips is it's very soft. It's not heavy at all. It doesn't feel thick and heavy, and it does kind of dry and set. Like I don't feel like I could mix the colors together now. Like if I had put it on and let it set, I don't feel like I'd be able to mix them now. But it's got a nice creamy feel to it, but then it dries, so you don't have, yeah, stays pretty good without rubbing off. So that's our flat two-tone lipstick. Let's see what's next. Oh, and so last campaign we had a new collection of Studio 1886. That is our new fashion collections is going to be Studio 1886, and that's a reference to Avon was originally founded in 1886. And so this campaign we have some new jewelry with the Studio 1886. We have this really pretty collection with a let's see, crushed abalone. I couldn't think of the word crushed there. I've got the necklace here, and the chain is like a nice smooth silver tone, and you can see that having the crushed abalone where it's kind of in there in pieces just gives a whole new look to it. You know, abalone is very pretty all on its own, but then with the crushed you get kind of a whole different effect because you catch the light at all different angles. Then there's also the matching earrings and ring in that collection, and then the watch is good because you've got a nice green band that you don't see that kind of color as often, and it coordinates very nicely with the abalone. The other collection I got a piece of was the Plum Perfect. Really, really beautiful. I actually absolutely love these earrings. I just don't wear earrings a lot. I have a thing about hitting my phone with my earrings. So I didn't pick those up for myself. But it's got the same kind of plum stone in the bracelets there. And I did pick up the necklace that I've got hanging a little crooked here. And it's a tiered necklace. The nice thing is your shortest length is 16.5 inches, which is actually the same as the necklace I have on today. But it has a 3.5-inch extender, so you can use that to adjust. If you don't like anything up real close on your neck, you can adjust and have it have the whole set hang longer. It's got this really pretty pink stone in the teardrop at the bottom. So really, really pretty. I like the pinks, and it's a rose gold tone. So you've got just like that pink blush throughout the whole piece. And let's see. And again, I love that kind of berry colored watch with almost like it's like faceted in the face. So it's got a nice way that it'll catch the light there. And it's also got the rose gold accent there. And yeah, and that is everything I have for you this campaign. Nice, short, and sweet. Definitely, I personally am most excited about the new shades in the Glimmershadows. I like having those in that kind of pearly matte sateen finish when you're not in a glimmer and shimmer kind of mood. So hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day. And absolutely come on over to Facebook if you're there. Look for my page. You can find me under just Chris Arnold Avon, or even better, search for Thoughts on Beauty. It's my VIP group, and in that group you get a lot of sneak peeks. You get to see stuff before it comes out on the video here, and you get more of the how I'm using the products and that sort of thing. So definitely come on in and over and see me there too. So hope you're all having a wonderful day. I'll see you again in a couple of weeks.